Is your Ford Edge constantly dropping its Apple CarPlay connection while you drive? Data shows that 80% of connection drops are caused by simple hardware or software mismatches. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to stabilize your sync system. Start by inspecting your cable, updating your iPhone, and cleaning the charging port for a secure connection. If hardware is fine, try forgetting the car from your phone settings and performing a soft reset on the sync unit. Diving deeper, check for sync system updates and consider resetting your network settings on the iPhone. Most issues are solvable at home, but a failing APIM module will require professional diagnostic tools at the dealer. As you can see, the vast majority of these disconnects are resolved simply by swapping out the charging cable. If all else fails, a master reset of the sync system can clear out corrupted configuration files. Keep a high-quality cable in your glove box to test connectivity whenever a drop occurs. Remember, if the problem persists across multiple cables, the issue is likely internal to the sync hardware. Thanks for watching, and check the description for more troubleshooting guides for your Ford Edge.